Don't like the noise that's making. That's the noise it makes when it's got blocked nozzle. That clicking noise. Might just be a coincidence. I don't feel confident. Well, that's part 1 printed. There's 2 more parts to go. This is a Halloween party by fixumdude. I'm printing it on lowest quality and I'm beginning to think I may regret that. I suspect these bits may break. Well, that's part 2. 1, 2. So part 3 is coming next. Well, that's the 3rd sheet. That's the characters. Looks like a couple of zombies and a ghost. Oh no, 1 zombie, 1 ghost and 1 skeleton, isn't it? So we'll put them together. 3 sheets, and I've actually got the Thingiverse screen up showing me how fixumdude has organised it. Now he's printed it in different colours. I've only got yellow at the moment. So the ground he's printed in green. This bit he's printed in black, and that in white. So I've put a bit of coloured pen on it, which probably means I'll get filthy fingers putting it together. So a Halloween montage. Is that the right word? No, some other word, isn't it? If it comes to me while I'm doing this, I'll shout it out loud. Oh, diorama, that's the word. All right, I didn't shout. But, right, now these bits, they go on there. I knew that would happen. That one broke. That's that one going to go on. Let's make it a bit bigger first. Yeah, I printed this on the lowest resolution, so it's the weakest, brittlest possible option. I think it'll still just about work well enough for demonstration purposes, and then you'll have the idea of how it should go together. Right, house at the back. Of hedges. Yes, if you choose to print this one, I suggest not printing it on the lowest quality setting, or print it out of something other than PLA. Alright, what's going to go just there? Any of these, really. I think we could have a... Yeah. We've got a cat and a bat. We've got two cats. A cat. And a bat. I'll put that one back there somewhere. And we've got another cat, I reckon. Stick that one there. I have the cat sitting in front of the gate. Okay. Right, now we got to try and get these guys to have their little dance. He's supposed to be a mummy now that I look at him. Mummy, a ghost, and a skeleton. Right. So, there we go. They all dance. I'll put the camera a little bit closer so you get a better view of it. But yeah, there you go. Fixumdude. Link will be in the video description. Let's just move that camera. Yeah. Simple, fun. So I suppose that's Happy Halloween. Again, check the video description for the link to this and the link to my Halloween project files. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us a comment so we know how we're doing.